Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Roadster and the Porsche 911. The Roadster aims to redefine electric speed, while the 911 continues its legacy as a benchmark for sports car enthusiasts. We'll explore how these two automotive titans stack up against each other, from their raw power to their everyday usability. Get ready to see which one might be the better fit for your garage. When it comes to sheer speed, the Roadster's acceleration figures are truly astonishing, setting new benchmarks for production cars. The 911, especially in its most potent forms, delivers incredible, visceral performance that has been honed over decades. While the Roadster boasts an impressive electric range, the 911 offers the convenience of quick refueling and a classic engine note.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to make your daily routine more efficient, check out these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like a well-tuned sports car keeps its components in order. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Visually, these cars are worlds apart. The Roadster embraces a clean, aerodynamic aesthetic, hinting at its advanced electric powertrain. The 911, however, proudly carries its heritage, evolving its classic lines with each generation. Inside, the Roadster offers a high-tech, screen-centric cabin, while the 911 provides a more traditional, driver-oriented cockpit with premium materials and tactile controls. Financially, both vehicles represent a significant investment. The Roadster's initial price point reflects its cutting-edge technology and extreme performance. The 911 offers a wide range of models, allowing for different entry points into the Porsche experience. When evaluating value, consider not just the purchase price, but also potential resale value, maintenance schedules, and insurance premiums for these high-performance machines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.